strategy drives everything. We had to have a system that can also grow with the company. S/4HANA would drive productivity, simplification, so that we could service our customers even better in the future.
At Capgemini, we don't just implement technology. We deliver as an end-to-end business and technology transformation partner. That combination was key to the partnership with AJ Vaccines, enabling the successful delivery of a critical component of their business transformation. Capgemini ensured the right skills, industry experts, proven methodologies, and global capabilities, combined with local insights to create a platform that empowers AJ Vaccines to scale and innovate, resulting in an S/4HANA platform that enables smarter, faster decision-making across the business, designed to support AJ Vaccines and creating the foundation to scale.
This project has been a transformation journey, not only on technology, but also on processes, getting back to standard, utilizing SAP's best practice processes, all the way from value stream mapping to the go live of the new modern platform.
Capgemini was a very important choice for us to be a very good business partner, not only now in the transformation, but also in the future for us to drive the business where we want to go. They also had industry standards for us that could help us actually implement a lot easier, a lot faster, and a lot cheaper as well.